Greetings and welcome in this video. Today I will show you how to save a spectra you just get into a database. First, let's go over how to create your own database. Let's go into Settings and then Library. When you will get the Thunder View software, it will be loaded with different databases. You can create your own by going into Edit Library. Then click on Add. Here we will call it Test for today. And here it appears. Let's close this one and verify. I have to refresh. Let's close it and open it again. And here it is. Of course, it's empty since I just created it. But let's load this spectra you got. Here it is a quartz sample, the same as the previous video. I've optimized the signal a bit. So let's say that this is what you get after your experiment. First, make sure that you are in baseline correction. So if it is not in baseline correction, it will look something like this. You can use the function peak search. It will show the different peak it noticed. So here I'm gonna only keep the quartz peak. Then go in Settings, Library, select your database, and then click on Add. So the spectrum was from a quartz sample. The CIS number is the number in the database. So here it will be the first spectrum. We can click on Import Data in the bottom left. And click on OK. So here we have our quartz spectrum. Click on Save. And here it appears. So now let's get a new spectrum and try to match what we had in our database. So I will slightly move upward the probe. And then let's turn off the laser, get a dark spectrum. Let's stop it for now. We don't want that much second. It would be fine to just reduce it to 2 seconds on 2 scans. Let's get the dark spectrum. Perfect. Now turn on the laser. Get a single position. Perfect. And now let's go into match. And here you can see it matched all the different quartz samples in our databases. But the first one it gave us was our quartz spectrum that we just loaded. It was the closest match, of course, because this is the same sample. But as you could see, it was not the same intensity. I didn't optimize at all the settings. But still, it gave me exactly what we were expecting. So I know the gem I'm looking at is a quartz.